Data Analytics, courses in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Becoming a data analyst, developing skills, pursuing training, and navigating the career path. Introduction. As companies increasingly rely on data-driven insights, seize the opportunity to become a sought-after data analyst. Begin your journey by selecting major programming languages, completing online analytics courses, and mastering tools like Tableau, Excel, Power BI, Google Analytics, and Juniper Notebook. Skills development. Cultivate a diverse skill set, encompassing programming languages, data visualization, machine learning, analytical thinking, and problem solving. Strengthen interpersonal and communication skills, crucial for collaborative work across diverse teams. Education and fundamentals. Solidify your foundation with relevant education in computer science, mathematics, or statistics. The data processing is handled effectively by mastering in SQL, R, and Python. The basics of the industry, its procedures, and its tools can be understood. Career growth strategies. Internships provide opportunities to actively expand your network, seek mentorship, and build a portfolio for career advancement. Learn structured courses for a firm foundation and boost your self-esteem. Attend webinars, conferences, and industry events to foster a professional network. Continued learning and adaptability. Continuous learning keeps you a step ahead in the dynamic field of data analysis. Participate in industry discussions on LinkedIn, attend events, and seek mentorship for invaluable guidance. A commitment to continuous learning is paramount to establishing a fulfilling and successful career as a data analyst.